I'm delighted to preside over the groundbreaking ceremony for commencement of the construction of yet another vital transportation infrastructure. The rail line that traverses the major commercial and administrative center of Kano and passing through other economic hubs of the country, including Kazaure, Daura, Katsina, and up to the border town of Jibia and the Niger Republic city of Maradi. The cities of Jibia and Maradi constitute a significant trading core between Nigeria and Niger Republic, a tradition dating back many centuries. This vital infrastructure line will establish an end-to-end logistics supply chain in railway transport services between northern and southern regions of the country, reaching Nigerian southern ports of Lagos and Warri. The entire route encompasses territory inhabited by close to 80 million people across 10 states of the country. This project has a branch line to Dutse, the capital of Jigawa State, to open up this corridor, which is endowed with vast resources. The Kano-Maradi rail line has been identified as a viable line that will significantly enhance the movement of passengers and freight to the hinterland, especially raw materials from both agricultural and mineral resources for our industries. The project, when completed, would serve import and export of goods for Niger Republic and other countries in the sub-region through Nigerian ports. The country would earn revenue through expansion of trade and commerce, while the people of Niger Republic will benefit from ease of transportation, logistics at affordable cost in their import and export businesses. The connection to Niger Republic through rail will also foster trans-Sahara trade and contribute to the expected gains in the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement. The construction company handling this project, Messrs. Motor Angel Nigeria Limited, is supporting knowledge and technology transfer by investing in the establishment of a learning institution for transportation and railway science. This is commendable. Distinguished guests, this admiration in clear recognition of the challenges posed to our economic growth by absence of strong and effective infrastructure has remained consistent in her effort at closing this gap. We have, in the rail sector, embarked on the completion of the 1,424 kilometers Lagos to Kano rail line to join the one being plugged off today for the country's western axis. On the eastern corridor of the country, the Port Harcourt, Enugu, Makadi, Maiduguri rail line, with branches to Owerri, Imo State, and Damaturu, Yobe State, have been awarded for reconstruction to include a deep sea port in Bonny Island and a railway industrial park in Port Harcourt, with the objectives of achieving a vibrant and functional railway infrastructure in the eastern part of the country. The Federal Ministry of Transportation and Ministry of Finance have been directed to vigorously act on engagement and concluding financial arrangement with appropriate co-financers to partner with the federal government for the development of the West-East Coast Rail Line from Lagos to Calabar and linking Onitsha, Benin, Warri, Yenagoa, Port Harcourt, Aba, and Uyo. Furthermore, contract for the important Central Railway traversing Itape, Barrow, Abuja, with connection to Lokoja, and a new seaport in Warri has been signed and is expected to achieve appreciable level of completion during the tenure of this administration. Distinguished guests, I believe when all these initiatives of our administration are realized, the country would have overcome the infrastructural deficiency in the transportation sector. Businesses will be able to take full advantage of availability of an affordable and effective transportation backbone that can transform industrial and economic activity to a higher level. I also enjoin our private sectors to invest and participate in the realization of these very promising economic opportunities. I now have the honor to perform the groundbreaking ceremony for the Kano Maradi Standard Gauge Rail Line and direct the Honorable Minister of Transportation to flag off the project. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.